Yes, we had a cabinet just now. Cabinet is over. So we were discussing about the coming of our Honorable Union Home Minister, and ultimately we decided that appointment will be sought from the government, MDA government, meeting the Honorable Union Minister on the 23rd of this month. Confirm the Honorable Union Home Minister will come. He'll be reaching here in Shillong by 10 o'clock, around 10 o'clock, and then the session will start at around 11 o'clock, and thereafter he'll go back to Guwahati. He will not stay overnight over here, and then he'll go back to Guwahati in the afternoon after the meeting is over. We had a meeting today, the cabinet, and we will be meeting him. So we already sought an appointment, so we don't know yet what time he will be giving us the meeting. The issues is the pending issues like resolution on ILP. Then the next is about the eighth schedule, then the sixth schedule, and then about the even the long pending interstate issue. That also will flag off to the Honorable Union Minister on the 23rd of this month. But that is done. Police has already taken care of all this. So the security, everything is already in place.
So will
Preliminary session will be in the convention hall, convention center, but the meeting with the cabinet and then even with the members of the NGOs, that we are yet to know. I think the office of the Honorable Union Minister will confirm us where do we meet him separately. Okay, thank you.